Good afternoon, ladies. I just wanted to show you, I'm sorry, I should have said quilters because we have some men out there too. Clue 4 quickly because there have been a few issues on it. I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough. Your dark 13¼ inch strips for the lap. We're going to do 1 strip, twin 2, and so forth, which it'll yield more than this, but this is all we need as far as the squares are concerned. And then this is how many triangles we need. Okay, so I'm going to cut this first and then we'll move on to the light. You're going to have to use your mat for this. So I've got it right on the edge there. And I have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 6 is 13 plus my 1/4 inch there. Making sure we're straight. And we've got our 13-inch strip. I'm going to do that again the other way. And I hope I've got, nope, got to go this way. That's okay. So we'll just straighten that up on the edge. Put that down to the same one. And cut my 13¼ inch again. Now I have my 13¼ inch square. I got to get out the big guns for this because my ruler isn't long enough. So we're going to cut this on the diagonal twice, and it's going to yield 4 1/4 square triangles. Okay, and there are our 4 1/4 square triangles. Okay, so there are the bottom of those flying geese that you see in the picture on the second page. Okay, so then we need our 6½ inch strips, which again I use my mat for. I line it up on a line, and then I just go to the 1/2 inch because I know that my ruler is 6 inches wide. All right, so there's my 6½ inch strip. From there, I'm actually going to cut 2 of those to make it easier for me to accomplish what I need to show you. All right, I'm going to put these right sides together because remember we are making the flying geese wings. I call them wings. I don't know what you call them. Okay, and from there I use my easy angle, and it's going to take up the whole piece. Okay, so then we've got it laying there on the whole piece. We're going to cut it, and that becomes 1 set of your flying goose. Okay, there you've got that. The other thing that you need for that are 6-inch squares and 6-inch rectangles, which that's pretty easy to accomplish. Your rectangles, you're just going to go 12½ inches, and if you have to use your mat, just, you know, line it up on the edge after you straighten it out. Line it up on the edge, go down your 12½ inches, and cut it off at your 12½ inches. Okay, just like that. And we will go to the machine quickly, and I'll just sew one of these up for you, and then I'll show you what the finished product looks like. And I'll go right back up the other side. Easily done. We'll flip that back and finger press it. And do the opposite side. That'll go right up to the edge. And then that's where my seam allowance will start. And we'll go from there, right on down. From there, we'll just iron those out, and there you have your big flying goose. Now I'm going to show you what your finished product should look like. On page 2, I tell you that you need to take 3 of your flying geese and 2 of your 12.5-inch rectangles. So you're going to build 4 exactly like this: flying goose, rectangle, flying goose, rectangle, flying goose. And then to 2 of those, you are going to add your 4 6.5-inch squares onto, one on the end, either end of 2 of those. So it'll actually look like that, with one on the end and one on this end down here. And that's the entire clue.